Alright, so day one is complete and I'm back here at home. And here's something funny, because like we were able to download PSP games that are there because they have like a hotspot for the PSP. And so I was able to download well, the only one that I played was Ratchet and Clank for the PSP. So here's like, I'm at home already, and I guess it's well, when I turned off my PSP and I reset it, this game will be gone. So I like didn't turn it off. I just kind of saved it, and so I'm gonna see how far I can get. Oh man! So I'm gonna see how far I can get before it goes crazy. There's no music because the game's no longer there. Okay, well that's alright. There. Oh. That doesn't look that bad. I like it. That's awesome. See how loud I can get this. What is this do? It's awesome. How is that even possible? I'm just waiting for it to like... Oh, hey, Mr. Krabs. Awesome. Take that, seafood.